Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Dan Babero Show. And yeah, I still have a little bit of sore throat. Sorry for that. And today we'll have an unboxing of another bootleg. Yep, it's a bootleg. And I know on the bootleg community, I know that you know already about this. The WM. I don't know what's that. Okay, but this is your 61858 WM, which is this is your load ashtray or Lord ashtray. I don't know what should I call this one. Some call this as load ashtray, some call this as Lord ashtray Omega. Okay, so it's a P Bandai on Bandai, and here we have a bootleg about this one. On Bandai or the premium Bandai, this is a very cheap. Okay, it's around 800 to 1,200 maybe. That's the price. But because it's a premium Bandai and it's an ashtray, man, you know ashtray really sells like hotcakes. It's very fast. Just a second, all of it we're gone. Okay, so yeah, we have here. So there's no so much good or more print on the box. It's just the name here, which I don't understand. Or also, and we have here HG1-144 and some warning here in Chinese. I know because it's made in China. So let's open this upside down. Yeah, and also the carton here or the box, as you can see, it's very generic. Okay, so let's open. Let's go. Okay, so this is the manual, and yeah, the manual is the folding type. Also, it's not a booklet. So this is there's no let's say opening or a page or a cover page kind of the manual. It's just like that, and then that's it. Okay, but still it's still the same. It shows you your parts of the kits and the things or the parts that you will use, and then some of it here, which is the parts and how to build the parts, same as usual. But the nice part right here is that it shows you what to build first or what you're building already, because here see there's already an illustration, not just a word printed, but also the illustration of the part that you should build, which is here the body or the torso part, the head, the arms, the left and right arms, right arm and left arm. Then we have here your feet and legs, and then right here right leg, and then the left leg, and then at the back we have here your waist, and also some of the parts of the waist, the side skirts and the front skirts, and then we have your weapons. Okay, which the weapon for the load ashtray or Lord ashtray Omega is just this big sword. You can combine this sword and you will have a very big sword, or you can also detach every sword and then you will form something different. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, then there are some gimmicks for that and how to attach it at the back of the load ashtray. Now let's count the parts. So I will just put here your manual. So the packs here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's just a decent amount of packs right here, and very nice because not like the old kind of bootlegs that I know that in one plastic or one pack there's some 3 to 4 runners, but now it is just 2 runners every plastic right here, every pack. Very nice. So let's open this. Let's have the parts. Let's go. Okay, so we have here all the parts and or the runners, but I don't know if I can show you every runner here, because in every runner there are multi-colors, but as you can see it was detached already. I don't know what part is this now. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so it's a little bit confusing already. Okay, so I will try to put it back to its runners, so just wait a little while. Okay, just a few seconds. Okay. Ooh, okay, so I fixed it. Yeah, it's just the unboxing, but I'm already using a Tamiya cement right here, Exotin, because it really needs to be attached to its runners, to its proper runners, because they're so loose. So if I will not attach them with the Tamiya cement, it will not maybe I will make some more time finding those parts because they are not on the runners, okay, on the specific runners. So let's have first our runner B3. Yep, we'll start on B3 because there's no A right here. So this is your runner B3 and this is your color black. And we have B3. We also have B. No, there's no indication. It's just a hunch, but as I can see, you can really tell that this is also part of the B. So maybe this will be B2, but there's no indication that it's B2, but it's on the same parts. Yeah, it's a copy of this lower part of your B3. So don't be loose on the way on building this because yeah, this is just a copy, so it's part of your B3. So I think this should be B2 or B1. I don't know because it's only B3 right here. Okay, so this is your B3. Next, we have your C3 and also we have C4, which right now this is very clear because it has an indication of C4 right here at the bottom and C3 at the upper part. And if you will put this right here, it's just also a copy of this part at the bottom part. So the white is very nice. It's like pearly white kind of color. There's a little bit of shadow green right there, so I know there's something green on this part right here. Yeah, there's something shadows of green if there is some light. So I think this is a kind of pearly white kind of white, but not so shiny, but it's very nice. It's not the usual white that we know on Gunpla. Okay, so this is your C3 and C4. Next, we have your D1 and D2 right here. And same as usual, it's also a copy of the upper part right here. Okay, it's just a copy, but it's nice because there's an indication, not like with your runner B, which it doesn't have. So you have here D1 and D2 right here. This is the gray, but the gray right here is a little bit dull. But yeah, it also depends on the combination of the colors. So we will just see if this gray is nice or not. So if it's not, I don't know if I will color it or I will add or paint it. But yeah, let's just go what is the color right here. So maybe it will be nice if it will be combined to the other parts in this, the other colors also. Okay, so this is your D1 and D2. Just a copy right there, above part. Okay, so now you have here your E1 and E2. This is the part that I have glued because, or used the Tamiya cement, because you can just really pop it. Right now it's very hard because I've used the Tamiya cement. So you can see on the first part of the video that these parts were already loose on the parts of the runners. Yeah. So as you can see, it's a multicolored one. This is your runner E1 and this is your runner E2. And this is just a copy of these parts right here. Yep. So the difference of E1 is you have here this 1, 2, 3, 4 parts right here. But in your E2, it doesn't have that parts right there. Okay. So they also have the white, which is the pearly white kind. The gray, it's the dull gray that I saw last time on the first part of the video. And then we have here the red. The red is very nice. It's glittery, like shiny. Yeah, if you can really see it on personal or now in the camera, it was shot with lights right there. You can see that it's reflecting the lights. So it's nice. It's also a nice addition for this Loadastray Omega. Yeah, it's very nice. And then you have some dark, also like a pearly kind of red. It's like a maroon red right there. Okay, also right here, the other one right there. It's very nice also. A very nice touch of red, so I like it. Yeah. Okay, so that's your runner runner E1 and runner E2. And next we have your runner F1 and runner F2. Your F1 is all the black, and wow, that black right there is very nice. This is just, it's like a jet black. Yeah, a black, a jet black. And you have here, which is a smoother kind of part, because yeah, it can bend a little bit, but I will see this is kind of an extension. I think this is the gimmick of our Loadastray. So this is the F2, then this is the F1. Yeah, so Astray kind of parts. And yeah, the V-fin right there, very nice, a black V-fin. the usual VFin that I know is color white, red, and yellow, and also orange. But right here it's black. Very nice. It's very refreshing to have that kind of VFin. But yeah, black, a very nice black right there. Even it's bootleg, but yeah, I think the plastic quality is good. But yeah, we will know more of this plastic quality on the build and the building experience. So this is your runner F1 and F2. And last but not the least, your polycups, and your stickers. And we have a very nice stickers right here. The foil stickers, I don't know if it's good or not. I will know that on the building process. I will have a live video for this one. Maybe before I have this unboxing, I already show you on the live video, because the live will be more advanced than the unboxing, and also for all the other parts, which is the unboxing, the quick bit, and the review. Okay, and we also have some, I know it's a water decal. Yeah, it has a cover. Yes, it has. And also the polycups, the very, very old friend polycups of ours. This is the PC, and as you can see, it's the general, or what you call that, universal kind of PC, which you can use it in every kind of old kind of Gunpla. Yeah, and also the stickers right there, the foil stickers. I hope I can use this, especially the eyes and some other parts right there, maybe. So yeah, let's see if I can use them. Okay, because I want it to be less process on building, because yeah, I really just want to build and then have a review, and a very short kind, maybe I don't know if I can have a short kind of review, but yeah, less effort, less struggles on reviewing. Okay, so that's our parts, stickers, and yeah, that's our load ashtray. Okay, so that is our load ashtray Omega, or Lord ashtray Omega. It depends on you on how we will do this, or how we will read the name of this unit. But correct me if I'm wrong. What is it? It could be load ashtray, Lord ashtray Omega. Just put it down in the comments. And also, thank you so much, guys, for watching. This is just the start of bringing me back on this hobby, because yeah, I've been having some hiatus last how many months, because I'm so busy at work and also in our business, and then there's some personal things that happened on me, and then yeah, so many dramas on this life, on my life. Yeah, so much for that, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell to be informed for my next videos. Okay, so I already have a live of the Woundwort, which is the bootleg Woundwort. So yeah, next is this one. So any bootlegs that I will have, it will be live. Okay, because I cannot do a speed build if it is bootleg, because yeah, it's very, very hard to have a speed build on bootlegs. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake La Paz signing off, and Gunlover Show signing off. Bye. So let's build the load ashtray, Lord ashtray. I don't know. Yeah, it's an ashtray. It's great. As long as it is an ashtray, it's great.